Deadlifts are often hailed as one of the most effective exercises for building strength and muscle. But with so many variations available, how do you know which ones will give you the most bang for your buck? Are you getting the full benefits of this powerhouse move, or are you missing out on potential gains? Whether you're a seasoned lifter or just starting out, choosing the right deadlift can make all the difference in your muscle-building journey. In this article, we'll explore the top 3 deadlifts that are proven to maximize muscle growth. From the classic conventional deadlift to the targeted sumo and Romanian variations, each offers unique benefits and challenges. Ready to enhance your training and unlock new levels of strength? Let's dive into these key deadlift techniques and discover how they can transform your workouts. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive limited-time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. The conventional deadlift is often considered the gold standard of strength training exercises, and for good reason. This classic lift involves standing with your feet hip-width apart, gripping the barbell just outside your knees and lifting it from the floor to hip height. This move engages multiple muscle groups, making it incredibly effective for overall muscle development. Why is it so effective? The conventional deadlift primarily targets the posterior chain, which includes the hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. These muscles are crucial for various athletic movements and daily activities, from running to lifting heavy objects. When you perform a conventional deadlift, you engage these muscles to their fullest extent, promoting both strength and muscle growth. How does it work? As you lift the barbell, your hamstrings and glutes contract to extend your hips and knees while your lower back stabilizes the movement. This compound exercise creates a significant mechanical load which triggers muscle adaptation and growth. Scientific research supports this, showing that heavy, compound movements like the deadlift are highly effective for increasing muscle mass and overall strength. Tips for success: to maximize muscle growth with the conventional deadlift, focus on maintaining proper form. Keep your back straight and your core engaged throughout the lift to avoid injury and ensure optimal muscle activation. Gradually increase the weight and volume of your lifts to continue challenging your muscles and stimulating growth. With a solid understanding of the conventional deadlift's benefits, you might wonder how other deadlift variations stack up. The Sumo Deadlift, for instance, offers a different approach and targets muscle groups in a unique way. In the next section, we'll explore how this variation can complement your training and enhance your muscle-building efforts. The Sumo Deadlift introduces a new dimension to your strength training routine by altering your stance and grip. Unlike the conventional deadlift, where your feet are hip-width apart, the Sumo Deadlift requires a much wider stance with your toes pointing slightly outward. This position changes the biomechanics of the lift and shifts the focus to different muscle groups. What makes it unique? The Sumo Deadlift emphasizes the inner thighs, adductors, glutes, and quads. When you adopt a wider stance, you reduce the range of motion for your lower back and hamstrings, placing greater emphasis on the muscles around your hips and thighs. This variation can be particularly beneficial for those looking to target their glutes and inner thighs more intensely. How does it work? During the Sumo Deadlift, as you lift the barbell, your adductors and glutes work harder to stabilize your legs and extend your hips. The increased activation of these muscle groups can lead to greater muscle hypertrophy in the targeted areas. Research indicates that varying your deadlift stance can help address muscle imbalances and promote more balanced strength development. Tips for success: to maximize the benefits of the Sumo Deadlift, ensure proper foot positioning and knee alignment. Your knees should track in line with your toes throughout the lift to avoid unnecessary stress on your joints. Like with the conventional deadlift, focus on gradual progression with weight and volume to continuously challenge your muscles. Having explored the Sumo Deadlift, you might wonder how another variation, the Romanian deadlift, can further enhance your muscle-building efforts. In the next section, we'll delve into this variation, highlighting its unique benefits and how it complements both the conventional and Sumo deadlifts. The Romanian deadlift offers a distinctive approach to strengthening the posterior chain while focusing on the hamstrings and glutes. Unlike the conventional and Sumo deadlifts, which start with the barbell on the floor, the Romanian deadlift begins from a standing position, emphasizing the lowering phase of the lift. What sets it apart? The Romanian deadlift involves a slight bend in the knees with your feet hip-width apart and a focus on hinging at the hips. As you lower the barbell down your legs, you maintain a flat back and a controlled motion. This movement places significant stress on the hamstrings and glutes, enhancing muscle engagement in these areas. How does it work? During the Romanian deadlift, your hamstrings and glutes are primarily responsible for the movement. The exercise encourages a deep stretch in the hamstrings as you lower the barbell, which is essential for muscle growth. This controlled, slow descent increases time under tension, a critical factor for muscle hypertrophy. Scientific studies support that exercises with a controlled eccentric phase like the Romanian deadlift are effective for building muscle mass. Tips for success. To maximize results with the Romanian deadlift, focus on keeping your back straight and core engaged throughout the lift. Avoid rounding your back or bouncing the barbell, which can lead to injury and reduce effectiveness. The key is a slow, controlled descent to fully engage the hamstrings and glutes. Having covered the Romanian deadlift, it's important to understand how to integrate these variations into your routine effectively. Combining conventional sumo and Romanian deadlifts can provide a well-rounded approach to muscle development. In the conclusion, we'll recap the benefits of each deadlift variation and offer guidance on creating a balanced workout plan that incorporates these powerful lifts. Incorporating a variety of deadlifts into your strength training routine can significantly enhance muscle growth and overall strength. The conventional deadlift builds foundational power by targeting the posterior chain. The sumo deadlift shifts the focus to your inner thighs and glutes, and the Romanian deadlift emphasizes hamstring and glute development through controlled movement. Each variation offers unique benefits and challenges, making them essential components of a balanced workout regimen. To maximize your results, integrate these deadlift variations into your routine, paying close attention to form and progressive overload. By combining these exercises, you'll address different muscle groups and improve overall strength. Start by incorporating one or two variations and gradually add more as you build confidence and strength. Elevate your training today. Add these top deadlift variations to your workouts and experience the transformative power of targeted muscle growth and strength development.